Hello and welcome. This is my um, website. This is the home page. It tells you specifically what I'm focusing on. And here I have my blog that contain the wiki assignment and the copyright and two paragraphs about myself. And this contains my contact information. And this is a little preview about me. And here we have the Web 2.0 tools, and then we have here my resources choices, and here my technology projects include the digital story. We didn't get to do the mobile apps, we only did the slideshows, which are on my front page for the technology projects. Here I have um, a slideshow of 10, 11 slides basically of me talking about just the connection between the animal world or the natural world and some scientific facts. And then here we have the mobile app slideshow. Um, like I said, we have the digital story, the PLN/PLE with um, with the table that includes the reflections, examples, and definitions of blogs, creation tools, and microblogs. And we have the website evaluation here. And this is my screencast of my site. And then I have the evaluation, the Apple Teacher certification that include all 8 badges. That's it for my website. Thank you very much. It's been good, and thank you.